Colors can make or break a macro shot, and getting them vivid requires precision. Today, how to create vibrant macro photography. Open Photoshop and create a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas at 300 dpi. Import your macro image and immediately duplicate the layer to preserve the original. Head to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, increase vibrance slightly, then tweak clarity and texture to bring out fine surface details. For even more punch, create a new layer and paint soft light selectively over petals, leaves, or insect wings with a low opacity brush set to 10 to 15%. Next, use the Sharpen tool subtly on